getting the pigeonhole principle all wrong. Long time ago, there was a German scientist called Dirichlet, and he was a great guy all along and made a lot of contributions into number theory. Among all that, he discovered pigeonhole principle, which he called in German Schubfachprinzip. The pigeonhole principle is based on a very simple idea. If you have 10 pigeons and a drawer with 9 holes in it, and you try to fit all the pigeons into your drawer, well, there would be at least one hole with 2 pigeons in it. Let me interrupt you right here. What you are saying is actually wrong. Oh, what is wrong with that? Tell me. What you said about pigeonhole principle is that if you have 10 pigeons and a drawer with 9 holes and you try to fit all pigeons into the holes, there would be at least one hole with 2 pigeons in it. Yes, that's what I said. It's just not the case. If I had 10 pigeons and a drawer with 9 holes, I would just put all those pigeons into the first hole, leaving other 8 holes empty. Well, what I would say about this is it's cruel. It's not cruel, it's mathematics. Pigeons are definitely uncomfortable. Look at this one. Oh, it doesn't matter. What it does matter, from 9 holes there is no hole with 2 pigeons in it. So, what do you think? What is the mistake? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I get it. It was a really small mistake. Small? Let's see. Well, let me tell you the correct version of pigeonhole principle. If you have a drawer with 9 holes and you have 10 pigeons by your side and you try to fit the pigeons into a drawer, when you would find at least one hole with two or more pigeons in it. That's the catch here. What I can say, it was right. Well done. Woo!